My name is Mita, but sometimes I'm Mora. Mita plays with makeup and Mora is a hoarder. Hello. Hi. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mita, and if you are new to my channel, comment down below and say hello. Hi. And I'll be sure to respond, guys. I love interacting with you guys. Guys, if you like my content, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up or thumbs down. Engagement is engagement, and we invited all Miss Thing. Girl, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload. Okay, let's get into this video, guys. So yesterday, guys, I put up a poll. I asked you if you wanted to see this month's Boxycharm unboxing or the new viral makeup washing machine for your beauty blender that's gone viral and everybody's trying it, and I thought it was so cute, and I just had to try this freaking washing machine beauty blender. So upon further research, guys, this is it right here. I purchased it on, I believe, eBay or Amazon. I'm not sure. I will link it in the description where I purchased mine. It was around $12, $13, something like that. I'm not sure. Again, I will link it in the description or put a little tag here, or put it here somewhere on the screen. Guys, this is not, I repeat, this is not a beauty blender cleaner, okay? This is actually a washing machine for your Barbie dolls, okay? Or dollhouse or whatever. This is a toy. This is not a real beauty blender washing machine. Ever since it went viral, people have been selling it on eBay and Amazon, and they have been titling it as a makeup cleanser. This is not a makeup cleaning product. It is a toy. Okay, now that I've gotten that out the way. Okay, guys, so here it is in all its unity. I just wanted to see how good it worked. Is it practical? That's the question. So it comes like this with this thing on it. You pull it out. Anything else in here? Oh, we got a little screwdriver for the so you can put in batteries. I already went ahead and put in some batteries into mine so I can demonstrate it for you guys today. This is what this guy looks like. This here is the hose where you drain out the water. Oh God, this thing truly is like a pain in the butt, guys. Seriously. Okay, here's the front. Here's the top. Here's the 360 angle. And here's the bottom where the batteries go. Oh, that's what it sounds like when it's on. This is what it looks like when it's open. It turns down there. See that? That's what it looks like. Okay? Then you press the button to turn it off. Now, I have already gone into the future and used this product. No, guys, I've already tested the product. I will go ahead and show you the footage here. Now, so guys, to the right of the washing machine, we have the washing machine. On the right side, we have a pre-made solution that I use to clean makeup brushes. It is just tied with water. Here's a beauty blender. Here we have, this is the Morphe sponge, and it has dirty. I'm showing you guys that it is dirty. Now here I go opening the washing machine, and I'm going to put that makeup sponge in there and pour the solution inside this cute little washing machine. This is so cute. Oh my God, I cannot. So I'm just pushing it in there, and now I'm going to close it, and I'm going to turn it on, Miss Thing. So now I'm just going to turn this on, and as you can see, it's pushing the lid up. I try to put the lid back down, but it's not pushing it up. This thing was annoying, girl. To clean your beauty blender, I don't think so. No, Miss Thing. It is cute. It was cute to try out, but I just find it hilarious. This is funny. It's not practical, like, at all, guys. So I had this thing spinning for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I just kind of squeeze it out. Well, not yet. And as you can see, the Beauty Blender gets swollen inside of there because it like sucks up all the water. So it gets heavy. And as you can see, the Tide solution cleans really good, guys. So for those of you who don't know about Tide, girl, mixed with water to clean your brushes and your beauty sponges, you need to ask somebody. It works fabulously, like really, really good. So as you guys can see, I got an empty vase kind of thing because I want you guys to see the color of the water and how well the Tide cleans your beauty blender. And I want you to see how dirty this water is, like how good it is to clean your brushes with Tide. Like, I just love Tide. I can't stress it enough. I know this is supposed to be about the washing machine, but I love Tide, guys. And I'm sorry about the messed up angles, but I only have 2 hands, and I really wanted you guys to see everything that's going on with this this toy. I don't know what else to call it, girl. It's a toy missing. You see how dirty that water is? Like, the Tide cleans really good. Overall, guys, I did get an end result of a clean beauty blender using this product. However, I don't think it was the product. I really believe it is the solution that I'm using for my Morphe sponge. So now here, I'm just pouring more of that Tide and water solution into the washing machine. And now I'm just squeezing my beauty blender in there so it can soak up the product so I can get a nice result, because I knew that if I didn't squeeze the beauty blender, it wasn't going to be clean. Like, it wasn't going to clean itself. This product is really not practical. So now I'm having trouble with the beauty blender because it's not turning. So now I'm just going to let you hear the sound so you guys can see that this was not working. Once the beauty blender, once my beauty sponge got filled with water and it swelled up, it was it was too heavy on the bottom and it wasn't turning. Okay, so the sponge is too heavy at this point, and as you can hear it, you hear the sponge, you hear it, and because the sponge is too heavy, it's stopping it from turning. Guys, honestly, this is not practical to wash your beauty blender. This is not practical at all. I'm gonna put it back, and it's still, I'm gonna turn it to the other side, and it stops the rotor, because now my Morphe sponge is swelled up to the max. You see how big it gets? And it's too heavy. So maybe a small beauty blender, but look at how clean this is. It is clean. That's just water. My beauty blender is completely clean, but it still has soap in there. So you might wanna, and I'm just gonna pour it out this way. It's just a lot faster than the other way. And I'm gonna put some more solution in there. I'm gonna put my beauty blender the opposite way. And now it's turning. But my beauty blender is not turning. It's just simply turning out the bottom. So you can see here all the dirt that came off of my beauty blender, how dirty it was. You can see all that dirty water that came out of my beauty blender. Now we're gonna take this out. We're gonna squeeze it out. And for me, this beauty blender, because I used a pre-solution, this is what I always use for my beauty blender. These are just wet spots. When you wipe your hand, they go away. It is completely clean. But guys, honestly, I could accomplish this just rinsing it out. Tide soap works great for beauty blenders and makeup brushes to clean them. I absolutely love it. It is my secret ingredient, and I adore it. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna just pour this out, guys. And this is really messy. Honestly, if you're gonna get this, it's just a nice little trinket to have on your vanity. It looks adorable, it's cute, but it's not practical. Okay, guys, so as you guys saw, this is not practical for cleaning your beauty blender. It's actually very messy, and you would save yourself a lot of time if you just took some Tide, mixed it in a bowl, and kind of squish your beauty blender in there. I find that works very great for cleaning beauty blender and makeup brushes. It is my secret ingredient. I love using Tide to wash my brushes and my beauty blenders. It works amazing, like absolutely amazing. This is great decor piece for my vanity. I find it so cute, a little washing machine. But it's, you know, it's really not practical, guys, to wash your beauty blenders in here. I won't wash my beauty blender in here, or my makeup sponges, or my makeup brushes. No, it's too time consuming and it's very messy. So yeah, I mean, it did do the trick. It did wash my beauty blender. But I think it was more so the solution that I put in versus the actual product itself. Again, Tide mixed with water on any makeup brushes or your makeup sponges works exquisitely, guys. I'm telling you, try it. You'll thank me later. So, yeah, guys, I don't recommend this product for cleaning your beauty blenders. However, if you're like me and you like little trinkets like this to put on your vanity because you think they're just so cute, go ahead and buy it, girl. And you know, decorate your thing. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it, and I'm probably gonna put some lip glosses in here and just put it like a decoration piece on my vanity, just because I find it so adorable and so cute, guys. This video seems a little short, so I think I'm gonna do the Boxycharm month June unboxing anyways, so we can make this video a little bit longer, because this went by really quick. It was just a simple review and demo of this little beauty blender washing machine. So here's the box, guys. I'm opening it up. This is what we got here. We have this little card, and the theme says getaway. So first we have Tarte BU Naturally eyeshadow palette. Ooh, I got an eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow palettes. You guys know this. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Look at that packaging, guys. That is so pretty. Oh my God, I love. But the colors are boring the house. Boring the house, Miss Thing. These are everyday colors right here. I will keep this in my first drawer. This is great. Help me with some neutral blending colors for when I am doing my makeup. So I will keep this in my first drawer, and that would be one of my neutral palettes. But yeah, whatever. And that retails for $36. Next we have Touch and Soil No Problem Prime Essence. Touch and Soil. Let's see, Prime Essence No Pore Blem. What is this? Girl, is it written in Chinese? Prime Essence infused with flower extract tightens up pores and keeps the skin silky and smooth for better and long-lasting makeup. That's what it looks like. I don't know, guys. I think I got the bad box. No. Comment down below if I got the good or the bad box. You know there's always a good and a bad box with Boxycharm, so let me know. Ooh. Oh, this does look very luxurious. You see that, guys? Let me see what it feels like. Huh. Feels like a serum. Smells good. Smells good. Huh. No. I gotta try this, guys. I seriously have to try this. All right. Looking good. Packaging cute. And this retails for $23, Miss Thing. Next is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. I've been dying to try Dominique Cosmetics. Guys, what do you think of her palettes? I think her palettes are more on the high-end, pricey side, Miss Thing. Pero ya tú sabes, I don't know, Miss Thing. I don't know if I want to, you know, invest. Because your girl be scared. Oh my God, who's buying the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, Miss Thing, this Friday? Girl, you know I'm buying that shit. I'm so hyped. I am so hyped for that palette, girl. Yes. Okay. So this lip gloss is, how much is this lip gloss? Is $17. And it is in the shade Strawberry Lemonade. Ooh, that's pretty, girl. Ooh, let me see here. Ooh, girl. Yes. I like this. It's a little tacky, but nothing, not crazy sticky. I don't like crazy sticky lip gloss. That's not a look. Next, we have Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter. And it values for $26. This is what it looks like. This is a dark ass highlighter, girl. I need to get tan. Well, I did get tan, guys. Like, I totally got tan. You see that? You see my tan, girl? Oh, you can't really see it. No. Whatever. Let me see. Oh, it is a jelly highlight. Yes, girl. That feels creamy to the touch. Ooh! Woo! Girl, that's fire! Ooh, blinding. Girl, Henry! Blinding. Next, we have the Perlis Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask set of 3. Values at $24. Ooh. I don't really like sheet masks, guys. I prefer clay masks. And this is what it looks like. I really rather do a clay mask than a sheet mask. The sheet mask just irritates my face. But I'm going to give it a try and we'll see how this works. I will keep you guys updated. So that is it, guys, for my Boxycharm. I'm happy I didn't commit a whole video to this because that went by really fast. There wasn't really, I don't know, I didn't find anything really wow in this Boxycharm besides that highlighter is type fire. And this palette packaging is really cute. However, I was a little disappointed when I opened it and I seen that we were just a whole shitload of neutrals, you know. I was kind of blah, blah, blah. I think Boxycharm should team up with Jeffree Star and get his products into Boxycharm. I think that would be an, oh my God, Boxycharm box. So they should definitely look into that thing. But guys, that is it for today. I love you guys so, so much. I will be putting up a poll tomorrow. So stay tuned for that on what you want to see in my next video. I love doing that, guys, because I like bringing you what you guys want to see. Okay? I love you guys so, so much. And I will see you in my next video. Ta-ta!